How would you like to detox with pumpkin pie? Well, I can show you how you can have a detox smoothie that tastes like pumpkin pie in a glass. I'll show you how right now. Hi, I'm Joann and I'm a certified raw vegan chef, and I've been uncooking since 2010. If you're looking for healthy tips and recipes, you're in the right place, so subscribe and ring the bell. So let me show you how to make this pumpkin pie in a glass that'll also detox you for the fall season. This time of year, pie pumpkins and persimmons start showing up in grocery stores and farmers markets. We got ours from Misfits Market. We'll link our unboxing videos in the description below. For this recipe, we'll be using a raw pie pumpkin to make our puree, but you can use canned pumpkin puree if you don't care about keeping this smoothie fully raw. We'll just use about a third of this pie pumpkin. Scoop out the seeds and pulp, and peel the rind, which is too tough to eat raw. What is your favorite pumpkin recipe? Let us know in the comments below. Now chop it into cubes for the blender or food processor. See the description below for the full recipe. We'll need about a cup of pumpkin puree, pumpkin spice and extra nutmeg, a cup of almond milk, 2 to 3 ripe persimmons, 1 to 3 bananas depending on how thick you want it. You can also add a whole orange for more detox benefits. If you're getting value from this video, please hit the like button now. It'll sure help us out. And add some vanilla for more flavor if you like. I recommend pureeing the chopped pie pumpkin with the liquids before adding the other ingredients, but it works fine either way. Check out our other pumpkin recipes and heavy metal detox smoothies. We'll link them in the description below. If you're using a high-speed blender, you'll need the tamper. Blend until smooth. Pour into your favorite fall glasses. Don't forget to download our free ebook in the description below for more fall recipes. You can sprinkle some more nutmeg on top for garnish. These smoothies are cold, thick, and creamy. Pumpkin is very high in vitamin A. It also has plenty of vitamin C, B2, and E, and contains quite a bit of potassium, copper, manganese, and iron. It's low in calories but high in fiber. It is high in antioxidants. All this helps to strengthen our immunity, increase our heart health, give us healthy skin, and protect our eyesight. Check out this playlist for more fall recipes. Yum! Pumpkin pie in a glass. If you add a few more frozen bananas, you can even make a smoothie bowl. I added raw pumpkin seeds, hemp hearts, and sprouted buckwheat groats with a drizzling of maple syrup, but that's optional, or you can use your favorite liquid sweetener. It's delicious. Remember, you can have your comfort foods, but in a healthy way. Please like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss any future tips and recipes. Watch these videos around me to get more healthy tips and recipes. Thanks for watching.